Our most popular videos this year have been meal prep videos where we reimagine them. And this particular video has got millions of views on the shorter version, and so many people comment and ask for a longer version. So this is it. 30 minutes of prep, you'll get 12 different meals, which is beautiful. And we make these beautiful little freezer blocks that take 5 minutes to heat up. This is brilliant. This is really, really cool. You're gonna end up with 3 different dishes: a Thai style red curry, a turmeric golden curry, and you end up with a kind of sag aloo inspired or sag paneer inspired curry. What we used for the base was our CuisineArt Flex Prep. It's an absolutely amazing compact machine. It's on special from $69.99 to $44.99 for Black Friday. It's got 6 amazing functions. We use it all the time for making pestos, hummuses, sweet treats, and really the possibilities are endless. And we absolutely adore being CuisineArt ambassadors. Okay, so first step, we're gonna start by making our base. Okay, we've got 1 onion, in it goes into our Flex Prep. We've got 4 cloves of garlic, thumb-sized piece of ginger we left the skin on because it's organic. We're putting on 1 carrot, and we're putting in a red pepper. Here we go. Okay, we blended ours to be a little bit finer because we're bringing this home for the kids, and they often don't like chunks of vegetables, as many kids don't. But what you can do is you can just pulse it and enabling to have a bigger chunk and just more bigger mouthfeel. So with our base veg like this, we're gonna take a frying pan, put it on high heat, and put in a tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna cook off that raw onion, garlic, and ginger flavors. And also, if you want, a great thing about the Flex Prep is it does have a grater function if you did want to grate the carrot in for a bit more variety of texture too. As always, we're gonna season as we go, so I've got a nice pinch of salt just to help break down the cell walls and bring a lot of these flavors together. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our yellow coconut curry sauce. So into our Flex Prep, we have 2 tablespoons of tamari, tablespoon of curry powder, teaspoon of turmeric, nice generous pinch of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Handful of fresh coriander, in it goes, including the stalk, juice of 1 lime. And this is obviously coconut milk base, so we're gonna have 1 tin, a 400-gram tin of coconut milk. Pop the lid on and we're gonna blend until smooth. Into our freezer tray. So these are just 250 ml freezer trays. Obviously you can get 400 mils or different size ones. We're dividing out a third. I've divided my base into 3 different portions, and I'm putting 1 of these portions into the bottom of these trays. 1 tin of chickpeas. This is 250 grams once drained. Okay, we're gonna divide our sauce equally between each 4 of our portions, and then just give it a little mix just to make sure those base flavors spread evenly throughout it. Finish with just a little bit of coriander on top, just for a nice little touch. And there's literally 4 portions of our coconut curry complete. Pop her into the freezer, and that's 4 portions done. Woo! So our next dish we're gonna make is our Thai red curry. Very simple base. So into our Flex Prep, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. It's just a store-bought regular curry paste. We're going in with the juice of 1 lime. Obviously use a lemon if you don't have a lime, but lime works better in this context. 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce just to increase the umami notes. And we're going to base this on coconut milk. 400 ml of coconut milk. If you want to use low fat, you make it lower in fat, or even use yogurt if you want alternatively. Yeah. Lid on, blend till smooth. And obviously if you did want to make your own Thai red curry paste, this is the perfect machine to do it, just like the way we made our base. Okay, looks great. Time to dish up our freezer trays. So once again, our base flavors, I'm dividing them into 4 different portions. So I divided my base into 3 portions, as you saw, and now I'm just dividing a little bit, a quarter of it, into each of our remaining compartments. Divide our tin of black beans between each one. Black beans are one of my favorite beans, just really high in antioxidants, great source of fiber and plant diversity. And finally then, let's just divide that sauce between them all. Beautiful. Voila. And there we go. We've got our Thai red curry ready to go in the freezer. So it really is that simple. Like when we said 30 minutes for 12 dishes, we really meant it. So it's perfect for those nights when you come home from work or you're just tired and you don't feel like cooking dinner. This is so practical. You've got individual portions that are so easy to reheat. And the final one of our 3 dishes is a spinach. It's so creamy. It's a spinach and tofu curry. It kind of is inspired. We used to eat a sag paneer curry when you were kids growing up, and this is inspired by that. So 200 grams of frozen spinach, which we've thawed, in that goes. Even if it's not that thawed, this little thing will work magic on it, so don't worry. And obviously you can use fresh spinach if you want. We have 150 ml of yogurt of choice. We're using coconut yogurt in this case. In terms of spices, we've got 1 teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. We got a pinch of chili seeds, and then we have a pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of our dear friend tamari or soy sauce, in that goes, just to up that umami note. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, just to balance the bitterness from the greens. And really, you can see how practical this is. They all go straight into... 3, 2, blend until it's beautiful and green, smooth, and it looks delicious, just like this. And with as with our previous 2 curries, we are going to divide the base across the 4 different containers which we have. And once again, I don't have to be perfect. I'm just banging it in the bottom here. In the top of that, we have 400 grams of tofu, which we've roughly cubed into kind of 1 to 2 centimeter cubes. Just divide that up between each of the containers. And tofu, by its very nature, it's beans that have been cooked and pressed. So like, it is already cooked beans, so don't worry. And this is really high in protein, which is great. So divide the sauce in between on top of our base. And don't be filled, this is a really, really tasty dish. It's super, super tasty. You might look at it and go, green, ooh, well that tastes good. But it's so tasty. The spinach gives a delicious, creamy texture to this dish. Just make sure to disperse it evenly so there's enough water that it all freezes homogeneously. Okay, boom. I'm starving and I'm in such a rush. Is there anything that we can cook really quick? Check the freezer. No way. Oh, Steve, you're the best. Okay, so here's our 3 blocks or 3 dishes which are frozen. Just in terms of how to cook them, pop them in a pot, literally into a pot, turn on the heat, medium heat. So very simple, very straightforward. And we'll just show you how we serve them. First up, we're gonna plate up is our sag paneer. And instead of the paneer, obviously we're using the tofu. We're plating this up with a simple bit of white basmati rice that we used a vacuum-packed pack of pre-cooked rice, which you get in the supermarket. A little bit of chili sauce on top and some sliced chili. Next up, we've got our Thai yellow curry, which is beautiful golden color with chickpeas. We're serving this with some pickled red onion and some sliced coriander and some white basmati again. Finally, we have our Thai red curry. We're serving this with just a sprig of lime, some white basmati rice and some coriander. Really tasty, delicious. There you have it, 3 fundamentally different dinners, 1 core base, all enabled by the Flex Prep by CuisineArt, and it's on special from $69.99 down to $44.99 for Black Friday. It is honestly an incredible machine. We're super chuffed to be CuisineArt ambassadors. We love them. They genuinely help bring the joy back in the kitchen. Do check them out. Thanks a mil for watching. We're Dave and Steve from the Happy Pear. Cheers! Bye.